Hi everyone, welcome to NewGen Education app. In user profile screen, when institute modify user profile, we can assign role to user, can define which classes and staffs can be accessed by the user. Admin and other non-teacher staff can modify the user profile. Modification can be done for following scenarios. Access to class, institute and staff entities can be changed for staff if there is change in provision of parental access to the students. If there is change in name of the staff role. Now we are going to see how to modify the user profile. Choose menu, user, profile. Click edit. You will see the filter screen now, wherein you can see search filters which can be used to list out the records. Username, ID, user type, and our status filter. Our status filter can be used to fetch the records which are either authorized or unauthorized by admin. Please type value for any one of the filters. Here I choose username and ID. Click next button in the bottom of the screen. Then system will bring full detailed view of the record. You can see user, general, parent, class, staff, institute, and audit. You can click the tab to modify corresponding details. Say for example, if institute wants to add class access and staff access for teacher. In order to add more class access for admin or teacher or other non-teacher staff user profile, press plus button. Then enter class details. In order to add more staff access for admin or teacher or other non-teacher staff user profile, press plus button. Then enter staff details. Click next button in the bottom of the screen. If maker wants to add any remarks about modification, they can do it in maker remarks. And checker can view the same under the audit tab during authorization. After modification, press save. Once you have modified here, it requires one level of authorization or verification by another staff or admin. If one level of authorization step is not required, you can avoid that by allowing auto authorization for teacher or other non-teacher staff users. This can be done from user role screen. Please refer user manual of user role screen for more details. Thank you.